Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix your Play Store not loading, in today's video we are going to guide you through the method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can start by checking our internet. So you can access your quick settings panels and look out for your internet here. And within your internet you can start by ensuring that the Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. You can try switching up and also see if that fixes the issue. Apart from that, you can restart your device. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart. A simple restart should often resolve the temporary glitches that may be happening. Apart from that, what you may do is you can go to your settings. So open up settings, and within your settings, you can look out for the apps. So scroll down, find the apps option, and go ahead and tap on it. And find Google Play Store. You can scroll down or directly use the search and tap on Google Play Store. And force stop the application. Look out for force stop in the bottom right and tap on OK and force stop. If that does not work, go to storage, look out for clear cache, and also clear the data if necessary. You can just go over and do so. Not only that, for Google Play Services also you can follow up the same process. Find Google Play Services, tap on it, and then look out for the option for force stop it, and then go to storage and look out for the clear cache option and also clear data if necessary. That is the most common fix you can follow up. And also update your Android's operating system to the latest version. Go to settings for that. And within your settings, you may scroll down, look out for the option for software update, and look out for the update if there is any kind of update available and check it out. And at last, if nothing else works, you can perform a factory reset. Go to general management, and within there look out for reset and tap on it, and tap on factory data reset to reset everything. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.